too much GH. We did that go say Japan. A break and person TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody de bia. Madam I say love you.
Me dey the Isaac Odwampo. We betun afem the great tampo. Mbrin. Won me kan mo ni hwe too much GH. Too much GH. Mo ye too much. Na me so me ye am fire.
The major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH. On say me kan ye nya ne bone pa na kase ye pe wo wi ase ya asondin. Asondin ti na Adam. Wo hu nyame ye no nyame no. Wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade. Cat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH. Be hwe
every year for me ma obibia akwaba the too much GH. Ayamuni aba mercy count and next me did me day eba beso mu ye wo Ghana ha no duma kumewo ebe fire ex-president Eddie Free mu ache se ye na ye bobo mu na nka no po ensi we ni aye yenya enti ye biemu ne se eye special prosecutor awon no or then Mr. Amidu Martin ye kase wariza efri ni officer ache se tie for ni ashefo Ghana for bobo bia enti efi said this year ye election year che say ye nyom djumedi akasa na akoba se what pie free man na se wa resign no e ya umete na nsem yi enchemu wo mi twa me wa bana me da ba besommo everything for me ma obi bia akwa ababiem ena nsem a ekoso efa Mr. Martin Amido ho ama matomensa afre ye brother ye papa wono no onimu de wo politics mu je se ye ka politics nsem a ekoso a je se o ya ade ankasa me papa ye friend no ye malam sorry me ma akaba
bokodi
ya mi adu ye de radia se on so nsa ha
sa nana kufa da ma
ye de radias nemo eni braba won ti ye papa free mo Ghana hankasa ye bobo ho dida che se ye wo how na asabe pie mu se special prosecutor che se Ghana ye kasa nyoma nkoso a won o hihye kire ni awon no pe no betimi edi mu apotene na wa reason wa dwenche wo ho ne sen
yo etifo meda mo nyina wase na mada Chodiapo Nyankopon so ase Madagana for so ase se enche munyina mo be kwa koto aba December beso December 7 beso na munyina ma koto aba ema na Akufo-Addo na wato aso na masa to aba ma atwetwa aba ma na ono so akonanim aye Okankwe Central MP na ye kan yenkwe yenwe ubisa me about Matamidu.
The reason now I resign free office.
Matamidu or go me many must papa.
Sir.
Yes, because Matamidu did cano. When you me support apa, me support easy. The time I didn't know a man's opposition I didn't talk with Yamaso. Me Jimmy. Eka se Matamidu with me Juma. Oh. The cousin Matamidu waiting anyone. Minya obi a omo ne metwe manso ka tell me say Matamidu won't me nyadwuma ya kwapem.
Ene se na nkrofo na wi ni o.
Omo wi ni me, tell me ka se magu me ni ase. Che se me ni wu, Matamidu omo me ni wu. No ye obi ala ka me support no pa.
Sir.
Because na me nim say woye citizen vigilante ka obetini ayade. Corruption system mu nyina nka obetini gina ho na woye. Hwe se ka se obi ye corruption ho o cham roba o chini okutatu e di bokro no
sir
be na me se Matamidu se de otie no no betimi aye abroso betimi amma ya che se di pa no
ba se oba yansi yanchi obi adem
na cha me ka se wanya de no Matamidu me kira ho me kira se spa e wo di case mu se de me dwen no ya abato na ye koro won se ye to abawia enya de ye besa appoint ni bi obo
na se enye ndruwa ya na o de chairman
na empty na bata no na so ye ntem resign
yo na mama mbusa report kire se eye Mr. Martin Amidu Niama na resign in the operation. Like the way I saw when it comes to special prosecutors, I am they stand as independent body. Now, need someone say, Akobas on the position, no more man akwenya like government, and man akwenya money operating.
Akonya nene say.
And Nutinama wa resign na.
Mame
I didn't tell on 1 year. No,
Matia Midu. Edu baby no kasado do. BNI boss. What is our kasada? What's our kasada?
When you come on, sir.
That's right. Sale is special prosecutor so. Can be your come too. A binding the appointing when him so with my humano. It is a BB name coswa, you wouldn't abide in Tamo. Not more be granted. Abaye. I deal way I was in me. Yeah, oh, you know, and I said, dear, I'm out for you. A hajj. A only in temper. Now, I don't know what do no appear, and I'm in office. And yeah, why, eh? If you ask why an office, I am an office way. I should show you.
Say the yeah, boy, Juma.
Associate him, who will do my memoir. I am a.
No.
Upie, and I nana, my office, and yama, and then you say, I buy or yama. A do baby, was I, and my office, Sikanio, and I buy or the Sikasha Mumao. Eh, Matiamidu, oh, call the office, I'm a control. A name of Obedika who said, so therefore, eh, oh, get no. Any Abuka. What free work in him? Police force engine now. And son now going to simple rebels war. But a member moon may know which I was a king.
That is a security attack.
Ah! Me say, the Casamuno. No, say I'm for Freno. No, no. Now I'm for Tratino. Eh! Now, and you must say you away. Me know why you way I can wouldn't threat away. Me? Eh? Me? Threat your man for threatening me. As you say me the team. Me say you might me, I don't know. And you might tell me doing. Me you be a catcher, ever catch a gun for sale, and the penny flow near Treto. Now, a zero.
Senior Usika say the answer and who be and I'm a papa in ya.
Me report to you, the report to you, natural.
Who be Nama?
The report to you, say a Tretino. But there is zero. And you are better threatening him. Huh? A baby, maybe one network be so. A set, my sister network be said a great program. And I go, your boy, say, and a security in people catch and say, hey, well, who much of 4 you are bonte? A wana, or see, Mamma, Adiasa, one camera, dear. Or what no me program and this for no so me MP. Now di say your from all for ya na chese we ni pa kokko anamenwa. E wa Hausa ka se.
No correct.
Ena NDC ni na o kan ye ho a ni ye program no. No ni o free. O so o yan kwa bia na ye nkwala. Ye pie no. Nye me we chire na o mumu enim. Ye pie pe o mo ye somo o mo no. O mu say Wena, oyo free no one your friend man of Farino.
Chop the question.
Me say precope. Omoche no ojai. Until the time I me tesi say, man of the wall, say we be kwasa cham. Me ti ai. Me nya kwai, gulu, me koi. Say you man yina no. Threatening womu atete.
I say military work no.
E womu when you
I saw the accommodation.
So they are all out. Hey, Machamidu is so call out.
One say oba MPP abambesi so. Charges bebre omo nim say anka na dan kwa Kufuadu basu yi de we disika paint say na papa former president Jerry John Rawlings be ya na ade no.
Na Kufuadu me titi amanfo bi ko ye no.
Disika paint ko ade ye dan ya anka na na be ma ye nsa aba isa account. Na so we
ya say Machamidu ne type ye nya bi wo MPP mo.
Ase ye nti wo
she. Ye beti ma nya MPP ni o beti ma ye dwuma chan no. Beti ni e fi say oh Dabi Edwuma ne say nya say ya papa wa na say e kon say MPP fo nko a we NDC ni kura na say wa dwen da ho say obeboa Ghana ye me fa o e mo boa Ghana ni bi be ma ta bi du me de ne me say wa nya dia ma me ogumani ba se
na ya fa o say be ye edwuma se si a won say bebre de so bo ne bo his excellence nanado say wono no ba ye nche say ontimi be chichi nkrofo ye omo diskana fa
na ku fo do ontimi go ko chiu say kam exactly wona wonni mu mrani
yeah pesi yeah pesi ehun say special prosecutor no na onu na edwuma na ye say wo ye no on ye e wo this government asia na
e dey no pe bio me see di bia ma tabi be bia be ka che Ghana fo bia e wo sa no resolution me ka se me ntiase e dey Ghana 2 years hey mama krama jiranche na ba tabi do we fidie kra na dey ko se team mura mu se ye dey chabo a nka ye de bia be twom na wonche de bia be twom na wonche abo bia
enti onu na ye problem say yen so obi nsa kwa enka
no problem
you no ye problem
and me am meet we me problem
no what that position say o
special prosecutor wateda
matida
enye na go for the time ya na ye be policies ade yi ni ye pese would make sure say omo ano mo aye corrupt
investigations ni ade
both NDC MPP ye why corruption ye siche no ye nka se kwache NDC fo nkwa o wo ye MPP ni na wo ye corruption ye se ye ncho na go for do ntine do ba ye no Yo, enter one go find MPP ni no. Because when you saw the MPP ni ba, ultimate MPP ni. What would they make am? You can't say special prosecutor, you can't say Betty NDC ni kwa. Betty both NDC MPP, what about corruption? Chenebra, na sikera o de koye. O de guli bottom de koye. O famra yene dia.
Eso enwe enu die ehun dwumedie bia meto jase ya chi obi. No crampo dodo na cassette ye mpenifo a wote so sese ba ye nhwa adio wote so wo ye adwuma wo wo afa office wo ye adwuma obi an be ka se pamo wa na stories and na free say bibi akoso won bi akoso wase no no a the resignation letter ababetu jana
ami me metina se pa me dwe ho no ma ti abi ni wo usi ye koto aba kamera kakra bi ni ye koto aba ye to aba wi ye mfa ni mabiom eni guase ye
enu ye wo analysis
ye mfa ni mabiom because ye dey ko ye no ya jima nto ma ta bi ye dey ko ye jima nto no
ina se o purchase na dwumedie
wo ye me ntumi mi dey na me ma ta bi do na me stay dey the time na owo NDC kura no ye obi a na me support no pao me penase papa because no ye obi a o ka ne ho hye
na undi ndi say because oya NDC ni no be special prosecutor na ebia efana nkrofo o kasa oni omudi a efana ye NDC fo nti na mani ntimi operate ye no
ntina ono wo kasa ono ade to the vigilante ko na che say type of nipa we emfa wo say me ne wo free yam baako anaye papa baako ye man maako udi oso udi nyamra chama oni ubedili said na ot na NDC woso no enje sa no oy
NDC ade na esi
wo yo men sam nyina nya ono na chichine odwira so no ni nye woni wo yo men na wo NDC wo sanso ni enim se MPP e ba pa wa ne ye fa wa MPP ni kura ye corruption abeche no
na sesi a senya wo si kan sam ni de na esi ni kwan a ama na wontimi operate asesi adio se enya nta enya ntia metwa bibia
ono ne ebebisa no ene ebisa no so a me nsem o de be bia me ka so wanya enya no kore nsem o de be bia ono na esi ebisa no mo kire ye ntia owo so wontimi anche ibi na ekura ba se ekura wantima anche no aba
sesi a yen ni Ghana for yen tiase en se or resign ade kumpoten na or resign a wo waka to mayen no se wo analysis a waye se onu ehun se waye incompetent like ejuma no mbo mayen
to aba na go se wi na e fa ni kobiom onim nti na se or resign
kweti a Sisi a bibi ankyerɛ sɛ na ladu na ebe wini a MPP na ebe wini a na NDC
ma me wɔn wɔn kasa wɔtena se wɔn analysis ahu sɛ MPP a na bɛsɛ wini
o vimbo
me se matia mi du die onim sɛ Nana Akufo-Addo na bɛsɛ wini Nana Akufo-Addo wini ɛyɛ fa ne kobio
ana unu sɛ bibi chiawa won sɛ na nsɛn te mɛyɛ ejapa royalties ɛne ɛba nsɛnsɛm bi baayɛ a ne na yɛ Martin Amidu Mr. Martin ɔno na odi mu pa na ekoba se no wo krampo mahama
oni mu pa bia oni mu bia
na se
ma men kan chiro
report amunye nyina wo na esa by report
ma men kan chiro e ba ye e ba me jawo no mo bi wa na de ma tia du ye kra de makoma ha me
mitimi usa
wo be ma me akoma yare
mitimi usa because I ma me kwan
ma men kan se ba kan chiro he MPP before the Yakofa deal yaba. Said the bear Ghana for. And now, the Yako Parliament. Parliament approve. But minority say, still no, all general media say. And the President J. Criteria de Mao, they actually see and checks at the say. And the President say this you say why you wouldn't Ghana for. Say for we saw Montiasia. Case no sambra down montwai matamidu je hwehwemu ye mame e ba ko hwehwemu na odidi odi report oba no wa ko fa jo mama se ba ko play kill na odi akoka ho
don't fan count
odi be ntima me e ho de e ho pa de me ni matamidu anyadwen
sa
enti se ho no jo mama kra ye ne say we stupid to me is good se me kra me ye oh me kra me ye ya report wa dia ma oni ye se fine na bra enti eno na obe forso na odi aba se ever since ma odi ko shemu ba ko pe odi ko shemu ye ni ma obe 4-5 months ni o e ho report ye nyanti Ghana fo nyanti o na ye de na deal we report ma o se masa ji hwehwem e ba no wo ko fa ba ko e ba since ba ko pe na odi akochokum
na se mu hwenia ekosu ni la ex-president who say wow kasemu no NDC na ex-president to me by dinner tem was special prosecutor moa dinner tem din this ni na aka wo bi na MPP for to me aka wo hwe did attempt
bi wo anya say
you say only that thing
did attempt bi wo anya say this odi sika koto o ti me tira ho na wa o de body akwaje nye do attempt die matami die na si wodi do ma ndi na cham ha malen kan tro yes mo odwom se koto tomatoes bra okwa make sure say sa tomatoes wa na obeto aye aba na okwa no wa koto tomatoes na koto nkruma ye be yew odi be fia ye be yew na fia de ye be yew na fia de matami wie say deal we dey say pipihwe we ye de ma 4-5 months ni e ekosi say Ghana for eti wo twen ye pesi ye report on ma na fe ye de Japan Royal Dolls ye nsem so brewa o de ba no wa fa ebas del ba ko pra na o da ko shu
say o de
wa na so ma ye ka se fa ka ho
center bem flavor ni mo we say che so bo eju
o mo hu
eju pa de say nye se eju ma
o mo hu
we dey my read the comment and crop for e dey aba Clement or say good morning I say thank for today. God bless you. Expose GH. I say good morning to my GH. Expose GH. Be Onoase Martin Amidu is a disgrace to MPP party. Now who support it?
Me can say. Me support it. On say say how cry no on disgrace MPP, on disgrace Ghana kasa.
Sir, as a whole. They say a free MPP.
A free MPP more disgrace Ghana kasa.
Yeah, but my men to am comment ni so na me sambra. Expose GH Asaka said, "You must assemble a hundred power." Martin Amidu is coward, as JM said.
Waka.
Expose GH or say Wyoming is walking free. Although the only how I say, Mr. Martin Amidu on Boyjuma because Wyoming crampo. We dig Ghana sika pudumukra on a more free.
Watching a mimi go dia say Martin Amidu watching.
Okay. Augustina answer. I say Martin was a wrong person because he's still working for John Mahama. Hey.
Na
When they push me down.
Nadwe. Ma embusu. Nadwe. Do ye se won so titire sa na meka.
But who say nia, my sister yi adwin o che no kre. Sa na meka because
Sa na meka.
ya wo party say wo NDC. Na o di post wo MPP emre so. Na aban mu. Jindi say nya enua be ya no krentina.
Ono Matiamidu.
Onye committed to MPP. Just on person obeye bibia ma MPP akona ni ma na say MPP enya abasobode.
Enti wono so woni ohun sa no. Onim say the next coming to MPP no. Enya ade ade ne beko. Nti na so ye ntem ka se me ama pagya mensa.
Enti Jindi say abro say na enua ba ka say abro odi.
Matiamidu me am here ni supporter. Wendi me abro. Wedi wono nkasa abro. Enu wedi Ghana fo abro. Asa DMPP so abro. Na me am here ni supporter kra na. Na me Matiamidu ye tama na wo ya Attorney General wo Atamu Stam. Me ye ni best supporter.
Na ude ye nhwe se na enyoma ko hu se eye MPP aban no. Omo ye mistakes omo ma eye Mr. Martin Amidu Akwenya no e wo sa position wo no. Efri se obi abebu man na obi leader bia be pese obe fa nkrofuku a wo ni vision ni ne purpose chese be bia wo ko no wo so omo ko obi na o ma bua ma chese djuma na koso na we dey all consider say nye NDC fo nko ana nye MPP fo nko ana yese o fa wo mana ni nkrofo trust NDC fo hu say mistake na ye aban no omo
ne fa baby no e be ka say mistake but me ubisa me madwe a nye mistake say ye be ka say na Akufo Addo aba power odo MPP fo ye ne ebo an ma ne ba power but enye MPP so nko o ye woni pa bi wo ha omo ne MPP omo ne NDC ana mebo enti Shabbat ne ba power sai dipa ne ye omo ne
but ebe juma se be
enye onu ne NDC ne MPP o party ne ba power no onu e floating voter na party ne ba power no onu e bende enti utaka se o party nko na ba power ne ya fa party fo nko a edu be bi enye ye
be enye party fo
tie se ma make
kan wa ha
na is good say
so for bi obe trust no
na what no trust Matiamidu papa o trust Matiamidu during time na NDC what power Matiamidu ne action ne speech said you see here did the man na Akufo Addo trust one dey ne buy o dey ne buy so yeso ani ye MPP for so ani ye die hard to MPP no ye chinchan ye so ye support ni ye pa se na Akufo Addo why ade o pay out na buy ni o be tie dis no wa tie MPP e bia o dey to me tell on me ka say e bia o dey MPP ni ne buy kra MPP ni di boni a o ntime tie MPP ni enti Matiamidu bia o dey na buy ni kan ke o be tie NDC a tie MPP
Sana
ya kwa. Say kwa ye jam Matiamidu ne ko fa me amini mo hwi bo anka be anka be obi. Me si ye jam Matiamidu. Me go law school da. But ye jam Matiamidu ne fa. De Matiamidu ye ngwa de.
Udi.
Anka
Wakuma ta kuma
me tia che MPP ni. Me nka me tia che MPP ni.
Se juma de akuma.
Ebre bi me tibitra. MPP ministers edi bone ana omo ya de anya me tibitra ha. Ebo wochi o. Me ka so MPP ni nti o. Abo change kwa se mai se me tra kai. Me bone chi.
Mamefa eye comments no bi ento aso. Eye Augustina answer Ose Malam Fari more fire. Expose GH, he must be investigated and arrested as well. Corruption everywhere. And expose GH say odo cramp say investigating no na. And can the Juma so be investigating actually corrupted.
Yes, check it.
Ose ono akasa mo no Mr. Martin Amidu na akasa na say.
Kwa kasa wa 2 years ni ye dua meka. Na ide na udi. That's what bibi kwaso. Na ejuma wa bei. Sa o boss ye 2 months no ntua aka. O ko bokro no.
me dem adu be tutu e ya krokro no.
Me se o be bokro no. E wa adwuma mu a o boss we 2 months no adwa.
Enti we so kan sem.
O never o ba ye nya kan na ofa bai.
Kan na ofa bai obedidi.
Unidi.
Na nya o kan dey say o pa say o ko baby foforo.
Ah, me se. Na wan gwa ye adwuma 2 years.
Now see enti.
O si entia o ka. O ye den. Wo so na ese ye we investigate you. Wo ma tell me do na ma mu ko investigate no. Yeah ya bre.
I come and be aba.
Because what tell me do I be full supporter.
Na be dey see that's
what we have. Na ba lenya na me titi ho. Wo kire Yankobo wo nje me.
Ya me busa.
Ja me bisa me. I just want you me ni bantina ana wo ye me best friend tina me obi a me pen asem. Me obi a me kepe ma tell me do. Dey wo ye die. Ah, obu aba.
Enti wa resign no, yes wa resign na say.
Me enye resign. Enye resign na wa ye no na hia me. Ye de no call ya want man tie ekura bambo na ye me hawo. Na wo be resign so a, time we na di resign.
Enu na ye asem no. Na unji this.
O di resign ye no nim say.
Oh, behind the.
Ye kwani ye ba ye fa ni nkobiom. Ye kwani ye ba ye bi na nakura ke so de ne be kwa ye bi before kura ye be kwa go guna na dem ye be he nke ye ni na de ke dani dem e mo na hu se kai ye dene
sesi a wedi ni djubidie anka ese wodi enso anso Ghana ni
wodi djuma bia
anso
me o ka se wodi djuma no wan
no bet
na o che wan
ese wanchi obi anto
eni bi ye problem eni ni Ghana ye problem. And then Ghana your problem and you.
That's a problem with almost the swa nana ado ekufu ado na say see what I say I would need la swa eye
nana kufu ado wonu wa ye obi a okuta Ghana manwo including wo Machamidu ni me nyina nana kufu ado no so aye sante sade so we e no pone kakra bi se wo so ji kuta ha. Me say me law school me call that, but me ye de me kwatena ho aka madista ma chie kuraba.
Sa into patch say corruption in the ekoso. Penifoni be this kind.
Ekoso.
Ejuma no.
Ekoso.
Mr. Martin one be ejuma no na just say one.
Wanye who?
Enti say bro we ya wa Ghana fo ya.
Ye investigate no. Ono mu ye investigate no.
Jo, o de me twa me o yen
ko
na me read the comments ni bi. Rosa David also he has betrayed your party and exposed your corruptness. Ono pa chile say Mr. Martinamidu why expose the party no?
One.
And I was
expose Ghana.
Why expose momo corruption?
Ono Machamidu na ni jejeri. In some comment obi ade be bia Machamidu le toma ye. Ono toma. Aye. Come so me fa me come so. Me and bibi me fa come so.
Just na comment ni also. Rosa David someone brought into a position to supposedly arrest people involved in a corruption yet for years no solved cases. On also say for years, you may dear pious you no, just say on ye move back ye. Na Mr. Martin. And no na me bisa a tear for ni bisa into a jumana 1 year be no. Just say bibi and just why you jumana resign no. Say a penal so Emma you go free and I
Ghana many of the commenting by you. I see a cool demonstration against you know.
One person.
Na debi ade. Abai wonye one person. Debi amafo ko demonstration against you. Yan ko demonstration against you no. Sa abai check no.
Na unji ndi say sa ni ye we ni la can external other thing like I say Ghana the position be show being sa and yes what they are saying in serial way join or even those are independent say monitoring and I said continuous supervision push everything me push ni pano mana ye juma say the post the show being say we are near to watch ha
and me be say
ni pan performing
wonro papai Machamidu e that ye poti no pese Ghana for the ye no ansa no watima chekura ansa no otimi am ni fidie akwachi biela bi aba e that ye poti no pese Ghana for the change the same
enye umma brother the ye
Said, why? I had not sorry demo. You catch my jammy to say the office, no, and just sorry demo. I want your masalachi.
Send a coy, dear, but
My jammy office in your masalachi, just sorry them. I saw the Muko by 1 year more. Into the farm broke more probably ma.
and politics.
And found politics. And found cook baby, special prosecutor and the Mauno, and found go.
Because I want to near
And you dear some yaka. What tell me to know when they need so shit. Uncle Betty me. Here, will you, I'm control. If you are so, I tell you, dear Biam, or far, or cham robber. And I will my jammy, dear say, that type of nipping in armor. Wuna, you trust to. And you see, sorry, Nana, or the position in Manu. Nana, no flow. And more about the office. Boss, if you want to send me the show with me, who bet me? Or say, I went to me. They'll be with me yet. Okay, say my jammy will catch and I want to be a Nana, and for being share. What you do? That's our office and also no, who be Ramon Swat, who be swear. Who did it make? Who be swear? And son who rush office in him. What's where we know? Or more I see a de cow whom you do money now, be a best swear. I won't fast up and some I say inside the home from Piamonte.
Yo,
Not fair about the same.
Let's say I would jay a Jumana there to us.
Young call investigation.
I affecting a year MPP, a binder, and I say election. Yeah,
Kobo.
Mammy,
Kobo say, and I fetch MPP are mine. Now, your my jammy, ye. I fetch you one Casacasacano, and they are yelly. A man for Kikani wants them. Obiako can and Akuvadasem. Yakoka Ganasem. Dear, why ye, what did you see Ghana post to Kakra?
And MPP post now where we do.
Oh, poo.
Because one boy Juma. Now say I'll be what I can buy one, that's one in Juma year. Say a Kutia
Ghana.
And a Kutia party and so.
Because
in the name of MPP Abai.
Ya what dear Kutia Abai. Ebi a Kutia MPP. Ya what dear Kutia MPP. Bet. Matami de Jumay, and yet the idea I say Kutia MPP. Ghana trust to me. Ansana Naguvado. On your MPP need your mo. Or your Ghana ni. Ghana for to Abamano. As I say, no Ghana for swinging. I saw the dinosaur. Another boy.
No correct.
And no say, my champion du ye. Make a say, me MPP near we in this in check. But a Jumano, maybe a misem. Opia bet me. And to walk friend is a bra. Meaning so we in this in Bebra. Position, I said the mouth. Who bet me?
But when they say a base idea, I'm a party,
Parties,
MPP, so mobile be one.
We base you idea my parties no.
And especially MPP.
And I'm saying, we MPP, you cry, you don't go to one, now yes, I do, I remember you.
Who say attitude way increasing corruption. Increasing corruption because in Pennyphone we are corrupted and went to me and your moshe. And no kauna cross.
Who
say no kauna and say crown, some more by we are getting your walk on who say we are getting because in Pennyphone are corrupted. And I know moshe.
Safford, no. You won't almost so a show almost so. Much I mean to the man and his head.
There be a many patches, I won't say. And can be example to say in Pennyphone my corrupted, if you are for contracts, just a contract, Casano, Ketuana, just a which scanner with the year when your man saying them or baby bow out to crab a car, say any kuno a member of parliament to cramp on no, and it's the car, the money for project to be burning in a half for consequence war. Now, who says, or
parliament?
Why
parliamentarian? Parliamentarian, Scabany, the man.
The wife and castle set on some contract.
Son, the wife for no. Udim, son, wife. Say the pan wife for no. Me who said the Messiah can, and Yahoya, Hoya. Share a cratchy. Son, Nipana Walker, Nip Obano, a cratchy bin orchard. Ebia. Or who said you couldn't epe masem. And to when you scare, the only year.
Baby or the family.
Bet. Bemadi, Obashi, and Yawarewa, oh, and you may be a walk, one shall be protect you. Bet. Sir, a year way, no, what you say, I didn't have. Bet parliamentarians come any of them out. Come on, find the grey and fine share. Parliamentarians are more.
What patches?
Come on, find your
contracts. So we'll find you, Jumana. No, MP contract.
MP man contract. MP ne kwa lobby contract man constituency. Na contract ne eba MP ne contractor. Contractors no. Ye o MP no lobby a na contractors ne ba e ho a ne e dia mom. Say asimasi constituency. Was it BBC e ha no. Kon ho no nkyere ho. Na kwahwe. MP se fisika jo mo nsem.
Nti
ba me no no e ya obi. Pressure if you pressure bi no lipi ente mesre no. Wo de mesre no.
One ti sa case. Nti amana koye se. Sa prosecution ka ye se koma impenifo ni bi na je se oma embazo on Ghana sika state ni sika ni fund na ankoso no increase just stop ama corruption yes
you ma tell me do yi I feel na dey e be more
now as resign account say see
enu kura na sa ha
be ni betimi apa obi di na kosi say on start ejuma
enen wo china e be to aba no say aka na say on your uncle
7th December
uncle udisika opa e free ne ya ko pem 7 December disika udisika e beta ho etwen obi obebe bia no obehwehwe mu hu say sika we ya e de nsanko obi be chewo e bia me kasa yi nana ne ba ne second coming no me na ode me go to anu hwe say juma we enye juma aji wa ko school ko sua mra bia o wo ejuma na nya won na we o wo ya fa o say leader keke e bi ya fa manfo aka ho se munye juma no nti amanfo na e hye wase no omukura na ejuma mo enti okuko ya ba na o say the report na bro wa hwem hwemu ya fredi pa no sa bi se ekoso wa ya de ese o debi anko so this kind of o say ba na sana e office no ni onu ntem
be andaji but now we retrieve
obe kwa koso was kanaba bisa me say why no on madam ni tell sisi o nipa no koso was kanaba hwe ya wade bi wa o friend nipa no pa office nipa dis kanaba ba e me dey to abai conference afa ba ni say
yo na yemre ne ko nti u de ma me fa me final question into ni ye we ye Mr. Martin Amidu wa ye no ni ye we wo aweduma no wan perform u wie ya nso wo se wa resign suban bi say impenifo encourage wo man we mu ana ye say sesia omu jai nipa no involve no na onko free sa
ejuma resignation de enye matami do so na start you I say otiwe o hwe bibi o tira di bi se ase wo dwuma mu ya otimi resign ko bi ancho
and they say betimi aba so no so nti bibi ayo
o betimi resign but ansa na o be resign no one me kan ebi ani esisi wo ha enti na wo resign ana se wo sisi edwuma nim wo akasa wo sisi edwuma no wo nim se ni guase ye be ba wo so e ya de me no wo resign ana me bo
enu de no cry
enti resignation
susu sesen
me susu se wo no wo boga na bro enti wo no resign wo nim se want me anji me la no mbo no 20 ya samba 2020 ana na akufo ado ba o fa ne ko nti na ma wonu wa resign no ade o be ka se office nyema e na office nye se why na office ayamada ejuma ye wo mu company we ayamada yetiti we
Nini name on impenifoɔ no bi nso yɛ mistake into there final words footwo bi a wo no na wo de ato dwa de ama yɛ impenifoɔ no bi from the beginning and come choose the right person and come do this ban baby say
ɛhɔ deɛ menka sɛ ɔmo choose the right person
so they won't do
nipa timu osu
they won't do to me
nipa timu osu men kɔka sɛ yɛntu but tell me, do know the right person I see you choose. But nipa timu na esum. Nipa timu nso nye brode ne ana say paya mo kan say. Paya ho. Bro friend ya pam. Say then wo. Na bi. Ni when you ya bro. Na bro we ni menka so dey DMPP ana na kufa do. Ghana for na dey di omo. Me tuwe. Because me, amatami do me supporter. Me obi ana me support. Day one, since time ana wo NDC. Me hwe we adwuma wo ye na de ade o MPP na de be fa o nyina me kan wo no support. But ye fa we bela mbo want me antimpu. Me dwa. E catch up me dwa.
Eya bwana we dwa no. Etiefoɔ ne ahwɛfoɔ yɛ ne malam pari na etwetwe enkomo yɛ communicator for Nasara and say wa correct me ne etwetwe enkomo na etiefoɔ enkomo die ya ɛkɔɔ no wa dwenkyerɛ ɛwunyia pa mitumi dia dwenkyerɛ ne bi atu dwa na sɛ ne sitie bi a wo de antoja no ni na ye de beto ase na mo wa dwenkyerɛ so ɛhu behia papa wa dwenkyerɛ eto ase wo emaye na won subscribe yen so na abo modia na wa subscribe to efidie kese tuma G etene be ya dali da ye di dwumadie bi atuma won so wonsa ebeka bi no wetumi akira wa adwen na wo share na wo like e promote channel we edimai eden so eye munia ba mo so for medical and I'm di dwumadie ebe so mu aha and I'm di mo besi dasene ye besa ehia makam
too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Too much GH.